Ever been on a business trip, battling jet lag, and trying to decipher receipts in a foreign currency? You're not alone. Expensify aims to simplify expense reporting, but what about those pesky international currencies? Let's dive in. Expensify is a popular expense management platform used by individuals and businesses worldwide. It automates many aspects of expense tracking, from receipt capture to reimbursement. However, for global companies and frequent travelers, understanding which currencies Expensify supports is crucial. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter: currency support in Expensify. While Expensify strives for broad coverage, it's important to note that supported currencies may evolve. It's always a good idea to check their official documentation for the most up-to-date list. Generally, Expensify supports a wide range of major and minor currencies. This typically includes major currencies: US dollar, USD, Euro, British pound, GBP, Japanese yen, JPY, Canadian dollar, CAD, Australian dollar, AUD, Swiss franc, CHF, etc. Minor currencies: many regional and less commonly used currencies are also often supported. This comprehensive currency support offers several key advantages. Simplified expense reporting: regardless of where your travels take you, you can easily track and report expenses in the local currency. Expensify often handles currency conversions automatically, saving you time and effort. Improved accuracy: manual currency conversions can lead to errors. Expensify's automated system minimizes these risks, ensuring accurate expense data. Enhanced visibility: with all expenses recorded in a consistent format, regardless of currency, you gain better visibility into your spending patterns and can make more informed financial decisions. Tips for using Expensify with foreign currencies. Receipt capture: ensure your receipts are clear and legible. If possible, obtain receipts in both the local currency and your home currency. Currency selection: when entering expenses, carefully select the correct currency. Expensify often provides a currency drop-down menu for easy selection. Exchange rates: familiarize yourself with the exchange rates used by Expensify. You can usually find this information within the platform's settings or documentation. Check for updates: regularly check the Expensify website or app for updates on supported currencies and any changes to their currency conversion policies. While Expensify supports a wide range of currencies, there might be occasional limitations. Rare currencies: some very rare or obscure currencies might not be directly supported. Exchange rate fluctuations: exchange rates can fluctuate significantly, impacting the final reimbursement amount. Expensify's broad currency support is a valuable feature for businesses and individuals who travel internationally. By understanding how Expensify handles foreign currencies and following best practices, you can streamline your expense reporting process and ensure accurate and efficient reimbursement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.